Welcome to the Nature Center. As you walk in, first thing you will see is this beautiful big tank that will be the oyster tank, which is the keystone species of the bay and kind of the central part of our program, learning about the oyster and the whole ecosystem it provides. That's the plankton, the algae. They get to look at that under the microscopes and what feeds a lot of the critters as well. This will be for the crabs. Crabs will be in that tank. And this will be the diversity tank, so all the non-predator fish will be in that tank. The striped bass will be, that's going to be its home. And this will be the terrapin, the turtle. And of course, the beautiful, amazing mural. So it's not complete yet, but it is almost well on its way.